Hi guys, hello friends, you are on a plumbing channel. Today on our channel we will show you the everyday life of plumbers. So we begin the first day of work. The first application in this apartment, we are changing pipes. Second application, installation of a water meter online. We set the counter very cramped. Look at this place, very cramped. First we wrap the foam tape. Then solder the sleeve. Now we install the water meter itself. Now everything is ready. The next application on the same day is cleaning the water heater. We disassembled the water heater. And now we clean the spiral. We wash and dry it. Now flush the tank. Lubricate with sealant and assemble the heater. The following application is also cleaning the dry water heater. We disassembled the water heater and ruled out a dry one. We clean the water heater and rinse it. Now the tank is clean and empty. It's amazing vision. Look at it. Everything is ready, work is done. The third day of work and new application. Again clean the water heater. We are starting to drain the water. When we disassemble the water heater and pull out the spiral, look at this picture, how much scale is inside the tank. We take the scum out of the tank and rinse it. Then clean the spiral. And rinse it dry. When we collect the water heater, everything is ready. Another application is cleaning 2 water heaters. In the beginning, we drain water from them. Then clean the spiral. We rinse the tank and collect the water heater. The first day of our work. Here we put heating radiators. We hollow out the floor and the copper connect to the pipes. There are 2 rooms. The next application of this day is the installation of mixers and sievers. Inside the sink we bring in hot water since it does not exist. We bring the hot pipe to the mixers. Look here. Here we collect the faucet with hoses. This is not hard work. Everyone can do. And now we do it. Fifth day, pipe replacement application. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, leave comments. Bye guys, to see you soon.